Hi everyone, I'm back. I just earned a bit of money. The cat's eye is still big. It looks pretty weird, but there's a treasure chest at the top. Oh my gosh, it was just Aiden. There's, oh my god. Why is it always dragon fruit? The poor hamburger doesn't get any more hamburgers. I never tried to get some of the hamburgers. I think dragon fruits are better than the hamburgers. I'm not sure. But maybe. Yeah. Oh, they're throwing keys at the treasure chest. The treasure chest's little green bar is going. But, it's not full yet. It's almost full. I just caught a burger. Right now I have dragon fruit and burgers. I wonder if there's any more. And maybe a potato. Depth. Yay. Wait, oh. Thanks for unlocking me. Yay. Here's for capacity boosts. Oh, flip. They'll help you catch a lot more food each round. Want to watch an ad to get 4 more? Sure, watch ad, no thanks. Well, I'm gonna say no thanks just for you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god! French fries! Ah! Fries. Oh my gosh. French fries. You want fries with that game? Sure. Well, here am I. I hope you're happy because I'm not. What's wrong? Everything is wrong. Nothing is real. It's all just a simulation. All I get to do is slide around on a dock. What a waste of time. It'll get better. Thanks, buddy. At least I can spare other fries by eating them. My gosh, spare them. I just used the What? I can't choose if I want to use a capacity boost. By the way, I just caught Portal. Whoa, what fell on my roof? That scared the crap out of me. I don't know. Looks like a portal. Wonder where it goes. Wait, I can't go inside the portal. I can't even... I just got a treasure chest, another one. Oh! Oh, God! Oh, they all went inside the portal and then duplicated the fruits the cat caught. That's amazing. Looks like it's closed now, though. No, I could have made so much more money. I'll try to find a way to open it up again. I can't even choose if I want to use a capacity boost. I guess I have to use a capacity boost. I figured out how to open the portal. Turns out it's powered by love. Are you kidding me? That's ridiculous. Yeah, I was joking. It's actually powered by watching ads. Wow, that's even worse. Why does the portal want me to watch ads? Why can't it just work? Oh no, is that me? It's probably best not to question it and just watch the ads. Well, you want me to watch ads, so it's the right thing to do. Were you forced to say that? Of course not. Well, I am not going to watch a flippin' ad. Yeah. I'm not going to watch the ad. Wait. one ad for 6 portals. No. Don't even think about it. No, of course not. Bam. Oh my god, a shovel. I just got a shovel. What does shovels mean? Why is there a shovel? No one's gonna say anything. Why is there a flippin' shovel? What does shovels do? I just fished up a flippin' shovel. Now there's no more dragon fruits to be fished. Oh my gosh, I just caught 2 dragon fruits. Oh my gosh, the treasure chest is about to open. Oh my gosh, one more. Last time. Open! Yes. Thanks for unlocking me. Here's for capacity boosts again. No thanks. Well, I can't even oh my gosh, I just got another shovel. I mean, why does anyone not say anything? My god. Oh my god, tacos! Ah, tacos! It's raining tacos! Whoa, tacos!